Surprising my family with a good meal usually takes a lot of time. Just thinking about what dish to make is already such a challenge. Maybe I should order online or just phone a friend. Hi there everyone, my name is Arambulo-Antonio and welcome back to PHirst At Home. Joining us today to teach us mouth-watering recipes is a celebrity chef, brand ambassador, social media influencer, and an entrepreneur. He is only 25 years old. Guys, I'm welcoming Chef Gerick Manalo.
Hi, Miss Kat.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Grabe, I feel so honored rubbing elbows with Miss Kat Arambulo.
So what are we cooking today?
We're cooking today is one-pot chicken and mushroom cream.
Okay, one pot. I like the word of that. I like the term.
So from the term itself, parang sobrang dali lang yung lutuin kasi you're only using one pot. So let's start. Have here chicken thighs. Okay. So it's better if you use chicken thighs because it's more tender than the breast part.
And mas maraming flavor, diba?
Yes, mas maraming flavor because the skin is all intact and everything. Okay. So we first season this with salt or just to season lang talaga to give flavor. Okay. Because salt and pepper release its natural flavors.
So enhances the chicken.
Enhance. Yan po yung term. And then pepper.
Okay.
The fat that we will use this is butter. So we will add half a stick of butter.
Okay.
Ayan. What we will do is we will put a little bit of oil.
What happens kapag may oil in butter?
Hindi siya madaling masunog.
Okay.
Yeah. It cooks slowly. Konti lang. Ayan. So we will now sear our chicken. It's always skin side down first.
Skin side down. That's a very good tip.
Yes, because kapag hindi skin side down first, it will tend to curl.
Okay, the skin.
Yes, the skin. Okay. Don't make your pan overcrowded. So 5 pieces is enough.
Enough, okay.
Yes, for that. Yeah, we have to achieve the golden brown color.
How do you know when it's cooked na?
Siguro around 3 to 5 minutes. The chicken is achieved the golden brown color. Can you pass the plate? Yes, okay. So now we will set this aside first. And then we will cook the sauce in the same pan. Oh. Yeah. Look at the color.
Let's just enjoy.
It's really nice.
And it smells really good.
Yes. Okay, so we'll just put this first here. We will be using bacon for added flavor. Who doesn't love bacon,
Oh, here we go. Here's your bacon.
Okay.
Wow.
So bacon gives another texture and flavor to the dish. Kasi kapag once it's crunchy already, parang siyang chicharon na. And then, we will add in our garlic.
The garlic. This is garlic.
So it's like sauteing lang.
Okay.
But using the bacon's fat.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what's next after that?
What's next? Onions.
The onions?
Like the Filipino panggisa.
Okay, yeah.
And the mushrooms.
That's already a meal in itself.
Yes.
No?
We use brown button mushrooms.
Okay, is it canned or when you slice?
Yeah, it's fresh.
Okay.
Next one is the basil.
Diba?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ayan. So we will add in a little bit of herb.
Okay.
And
what does the basil do?
Parsley.
I know it makes it look pretty.
Aroma.
Okay.
Yeah. And then if you want to add some kick of chili, pwede tayo maglagay ng chili flakes.
Just also adds a little bit more color also.
Yeah.
This is so pro. I love it.
Once it's well incorporated, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating cream.
Okay.
Just to balance the spiciness. Di ba kasi milk balances the spiciness of the dish or anything that you eat. Then, so this will serve as the bedding of the chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you recook the chicken again.
Yes. Just to absorb all the flavors and the juices. Okay, just leave it there for at least 5 to 7 minutes.
Okay.
Now sprinkle with Parmesan cheese for added flavor. Enough, and then we'll cook it for another 2 minutes, and then that's it.
Wow!
Yeah, so you see the Parmesan cheese melted already.
Yes.
So we're now ready to plate.
Okay. Okay, this is very important. People need to know not only how to cook it, but how to plate it because presentation is everything.
Kuha muna tayo ng mushroom natin.
Okay. Okay, so you create first the bedding.
Yes.
First layer.
First layer. So we will now top it with our chicken.
You can even add more cheese.
I think your kids will enjoy doing
Yeah.
this.
I think this is a fun thing to do with the kids and the family.
Bonding.
Or I can just prepare it myself and pretend, wow, look at me, I really slaved the kitchen.
Yeah. So are you ready to try your dish?
Yes, let's do this.
Okay.
Try this. Okay, are you ready?
Yes. Sabay.
Okay, one,
1,
2,
2, 3.
3. Okay.
Okay.
It's
I
so
like what
good.
I cooked na pala.
It's good. And you can
What do you
taste
think?
the flavors in it. Parang it separates in your mouth, the flavors.
Yes. You
But
can identify each
which
flavor.
flavor?
Yeah.
Iba talaga kapag chef. It's good. It's perfect. So guys, you have to try this at home.
Alright, so there you go guys. It's a very easy dish that Miss Kat and I did for today. And I'm sure
I just assisted him.
may enjoy nyo to gawin sa houses ninyo.